You ever have those days where you are just in a zone, like time disappears, your brain is dialed in, and you're just flowing? That's called being locked in. And honestly, it's the most powerful thing you can do for yourself. Let's be real. Most of us are living in a distraction mode. We're starting something, and 5 minutes in, boom, a single notification pulls us away. We want to do more, we want to achieve more, learn more, but we are stuck in a loop of half focus. And that's where getting locked in changes everything. Getting locked in is that rare moment when your whole brain says, this is it. You're not checking your phone, you're not thinking about 10 different things. It's just you and a task in front of you. And when you tap into that, you finish things faster, better, and honestly, it just feels good. This isn't just about getting work done, it's about building clarity in a noisy world. It's about feeling proud of what you did in a day, and it's one of those few things, a few ways that to actually grow your skill, your mindset on your life. When you get locked in, you're training your brain to go deeper and not just faster. And at depth, that's where the real progress lives. Alright, let's cut the bullshit. And how do you actually get there? First, pick one task. Don't multitask, choose one clear task. Second, set a timer, even just for 30 minutes, no phone and no noise. Third, create a zone. Tidy your workspace, grab a glass of water, and play some music in the background if you like. Fourth is to start small. Don't wait for motivation or creativity to kick in. Just begin with the smaller tasks you have at the hand. Fifth, repeat. The more you practice this, the easier it becomes for you. See, the thing is, it's not about being perfect, it's about being present. Right now, we live in a world where attention is a war zone. But the people who can protect their focus, they win. Not just in work, but in life too. You don't need more apps or more hours. You need less noise. One task, one session, and that's it. Okay, so try this today. Pick one thing, block out yourself for 30 minutes, and go deep into that task. Let me know in the comment sections what you're gonna lock in on. Whether it's reading, it's learning, fitness, writing, doesn't matter, you have to just start. This one habit, this one shift, it can change everything. Most people scroll a few lock-in. Who do you want to be?
One shot, that's all you got. Take it right now, before you get lost, yeah. One shot, that's all you got. Write your own story, you control the plot, yeah.